Let me introduce you to a tactical gear company whose reputation for innovation and quality among the special operations community is growing fast. I'm Kawa, and this is your Musa Minute. When I first ran across Coyote Tactical Solutions, they had one product, but that one product was better than anything else I'd seen on the market, the Orion Range Belt. Having T&E'd one of the earliest prototypes, I knew this company was going to make a huge impact. They now offer several modular medical pouches that optimize the functionality of your kit. The perfect example is the modular abdominal pouch. I can wear it up front and easily access all my medical supplies without having to rip out the entire kit and risk losing its life-saving contents. Like all their pouches, it has Velcro and elastic straps inside so you can fully customize your gear. You can now find the entire line of Coyote Tactical Solutions products available now with free shipping at the Musa store. And stay tuned because very soon we're going to announce a very special collaboration with Coyote Tactical Solutions.